Hello and welcome back to our week of poured paintings, and today we're actually doing a pour painting. I have some friends that like to joke around, and I see online people aren't always kind to fluid acrylic artists. There's a lot of demeaning comments out there for every good one, and that gave me the idea to do this video. It's a little tongue-in-cheek, but we're doing a pour painting, as in I'm poor and don't have any money, because that's what I'm doing with this one. And I'm also poor. We have some food coloring, we have some glue all PVA glue, piece of cardboard, and that's it. We're going to see how well we can make a poured painting using just these three cheap ingredients. Alright, I apologize for the glare. The surface of the cardboard is already warped so much down along the sides that it's just picking up all the lights in my room. Well, this isn't really a viable option for long-term painting. It was pretty fun. We got some nice pastel colors, and this might be a fun, quick little mess to make. I did keep this little drying tray. I'm going to see what the skins look like when we're done with this. So in just a second, let's see how this stuff looks when it's dry. Nope.